Bitcoin blow off top incoming, altcoins ready to melt up. We're going to cover that in this video. There's some key things happening in the charts. I'm whispering right now because it is Monday, October 7th. It's 2:30 a.m. I'm not trying to be too loud, but I'm very excited. I wish I could be recording this at like 9 in the morning because I'd be going off right now, but it's so urgent that I need to get this video out right now. So you're going to want to subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment. Let me know if you think the blow off top is imminent after this video. Share this with every crypto holder you know. So let's get into, first off, the macro charts. So we have the dollar in the middle of our screen here, and we had our trend line from July 2023. December 2023. We broke it in August and we just came back up to retest it on the last candle of September. So we definitely want to stay below here. We want to see us get rejected at this level and curl over. Looking at the weekly chart with the TSI, we want to see this not cross out. We want to see this start to curl back down. So where we're at right now, very key for the dollar. Looking at the daily chart, we're likely coming up here hot because we went up pretty fast, but we're right at the zero line for the TSI, so perfect place for this to start to roll back down. Then if we take a look at the US Russell 2000 here, right now we have a 6-hour buy now signal. If you look to the left, ever since basically July, we had the sell at the top, the buy at the bottom. Didn't call it to sell there, but it said to buy with a double bottom, sell up here in September, and now we're getting another buy on the 6-hour chart. So very solid as far as, looking at the past few months here, called the local bottoms. And if we can see this press up through this bull flag here, get above the 786, we'll reach 2,385, which would bring us to a new high for the US Russell 2000 and likely for the other indices as well too. So solid right there as far as the traditional markets go. Looking at on the left side of our screen, we have the pump dump chart for altcoins specifically, and we're on the 2-week chart. And looking at this right here, you can see that the TSI is right below that zero line. This is like the perfect place and where it needs to cross down. If it were to go like this and then rip up, the bear market started, and that's not, in my opinion, not financial advice, that's not likely. I believe we got one more blow off top incoming, and this would be the moment where we start to curl down. And then if we come down here, and to the 786, that's going to be the key level to break. Like, we're in the early stages right now. We're seeing a big pumps across the board, but people aren't convinced yet. Once we get to here and break it and we start melting down, that's when people are going to be convinced. So we're still in the early stages right now, but in my opinion, we're seeing a lot of signs that we're right on the precipice. So looking on the right side of the screen, we have the alt season pulse chart, and we're on the weekly chart, and we can see that the momentum is crossing down there. We look at the 2-week chart, and this candle just closed, stock RSI right at that 50 line, and you're seeing the MACD flip red for the first time since September 2023 when we started our big move up. It's time, folks. In my opinion, a lot of things mapping out. So that's what I'm seeing as far as that goes. That's solid. If we see both this come down on the left side and on the right side that come down, then we're in full melt up mode. And it looks like on very high time frames, the 2-week charts for both of them, that we're ready to do that. Looking at Bitcoin, let's go to the weekly chart first. As you can see, we closed the weekly body of the candle above the 21 moving average at 62,800, as well as the pi cycle MA, as well as last week, the first week of October. I was saying in the previous video that it's likely going to be a down week, and then starting this week should be up only. So far so good. We saw our little curl down like the first week of October of this year, just like we did of last year, and then what's supposed to come next is bang to the upside. And then looking at the stock RSI, we're seeing that orange slow line come up to that 50 level, just like we had saw right at this point right there, which was the big move up. So we could see a press up to about 69 to 70K for Bitcoin this week. And then the following week, next week, is like price discovery mode. And there's other things coinciding and lining up with that on the lower time frames, like the 12-hour chart. As you can see, if we go back to this point where we're supposed to see the pop-up, we had a 12-hour buy now Monday, October 16th of 2023, just like we're seeing a 12-hour buy now Monday, October 7th of 2024. And what's interesting about this 12-hour buy now, right, is that this is the first time since back here that we have gotten a 12-hour buy now while the EMA ribbon has been, there was a golden cross and the EMA ribbon's green. As you can see here, 12-hour buy now, the EMA ribbon's red. 12-hour buy now, red, red, red. This is the first time that it's green and we're getting that 12-hour buy now. And to me, that shows that we have a lot of strength in this market right now. Just like back here, we had a buy now and the EMA ribbon was green. Back here, buy now, it was red. So very interesting how literally it's lining up like it was exactly a year ago. So that's that. Looking at others on the weekly chart, we had a buy now confirmation signal as of last week, and we are currently trying to break above this market structure ribbon. And right now we're getting above it. So if we can come up here, have a week out of the altcoins, get above 240 billion, it's ready to go. And we're going to come up to the purple snake, which is around 300 billion, and that's likely coinciding with this high down to the low. Yeah, that's 786. So there we go. And looking at the momentum, you're seeing it cross up, MACD flip green, first time in a very long time. Let's take a look at some anomalies on a high time frame. On the daily chart, we have WIF a week ago. We had CELO 6 days ago, FTT a week and a day ago, PopCat 2 days ago. PopCat 2 days ago. Actually, speaking of PopCat, I said in the Discord, link is in the bio, you got to join it, that memes will move first. Right here. So memes moon first. That was the first day of October. As you can see, all the coins that are going double digit crazy are the memes. They're gonna move first, just like last year. We got to remember what happened last year. Memes moved first. Then it was like AI, because that same cyclical patterns are going to happen this time around as well too. And PopCat showing big moves. We're at $1.44, and if we break above here like $1.55, it's ready to send it up, just like how Pepe WIF did around this time last year. It's same shit, new coins for real. So that's that. So we're gonna end it off at that. I just want to let you guys know, hey, it might be go time here. You let me know in the comments, do you think so? If not, why? If so, you see what I'm seeing? Let me know. I'll see you guys in the Discord, link is in the bio for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.